One of the things that annoyed me about the big Heelys is that I had to wear a hat all the time because there were no sun visors. And you had to get your head just right when the sun was going down. The Sprite originally had sun visors, but I had to take them off because they were falling apart. But because I don't want to wear a hat all the time, I went and bought new sun visors. It's just a little thing, but it'll make it more enjoyable for me. Now the nice thing about this, it comes in a kit. It has everything you need, including new hardware, which I'm not sure if we're gonna need. Those look good. This is all the hardware. It's the chrome clips and the plastic things that this thing clips into. I think we just need to screw it in. It even comes with little nylocks, which are great. Yeah, this is a bit of an indulgence. This really wasn't necessary, but it's something that will make it more pleasurable for me. And these are funny. And they're twisted together. Mine definitely didn't have these. I might have to look up how this all goes together. Yeah, these are looking pretty good. Really wish this had a picture with it. Check the workshop manual, it didn't seem to have anything. It fits in place really well, actually. The clip went right in place. The older hardware, I'm gonna keep it. It's a bit banged up, but it's riveted in place, so it's like the original. This is gonna be difficult, so I'm going to check the parts catalog, parts list, and see if that shows what order it goes in. So I wanted to compare the originals. Yeah, they're not bad. You can see how nasty these are. They, the foam inside's falling apart. It did have this funny little spring on it, that one right there, and a lock nut. I don't have the domed washer, this one, so I'm still not sure where that goes, but I wanted to check the depth. So it doesn't seem to be going in all the way. Yeah, see, it's a bit different. This one's a lot longer than this one, so I'm not getting the nut on it. So I might have to switch to these. Presumably it's a lot thinner inside. That means I'm going to have to drill out the old ones. That's a shame. But these are all new and shiny. Bonus. Well, these sit down inside it further than the ones that are on it. That's interesting. Maybe I could just drill the old ones. Let's have a look. Physically they look the same, just this is a lot deeper. Maybe there's some sort of grommet or something in here. Let's have a poke. Nah, it's all metal. But it is a lot different, a lot deeper. Why don't I get a drill and see if we can drill it down, the old one, and see what happens there. I'd really rather not replace them. Even though this is shiny, this is perfectly functional and it's original. Let's get a drill bit that big and drill a bit. Boy, it does drill easy. I'll give it that. Trying to guess the depth based on the new one. Let's try that. That seems to have gone pretty good. Okay. How do we want to do this? Let's put the spring in first. Spring, washer. Washer's not going on. Oh, whoa. Maybe. I don't know if you can see anything there at all. There we go. Oh, wait. I can't see nothing. I think it's going on. Yeah, that's how they do it. Looks weird. It makes everything else look so bad. Clean and shiny. I'm a little scared. The one of the other visors, I snapped the bolt off when I was tightening it up. I snapped the threads off. I guess it's not really a bolt. I don't want to go too tight, but I want the nylock to engage. I think that's good. So he has one eyebrow. Let's jump to the other side and do it. Another thing the visors are good for, it helps deflect the air kind of up out of your face a bit. If you are wearing a hat, it won't blow it off so easy. So the way we're going to do this, just like the other side, just to, in case you're wondering, spring, the cup washer, holding the spring in place, and then the nylock. There we go. I don't know, little things like that make me happy.
If you liked this video, click the like button. If you want to come along on the ride, click the subscribe button. If you want Google to remind you every time there's a new video, click the alarm bell. Your support for the Austin Healey channel is very much appreciated.